ಆಗುವುದು, ಅನೈತಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಪ್ಪು ಚುಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಬಹಳ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವರ್ಗ, ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಒಂದು ಕಳಕಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು.
In the high school as a science teacher, and she expresses that many facilities for the ladies can be done here, and she is ready to help for them. Thank you.
Friends, I am LP Singh. I am coming from farmers family. In my family there are 5 brothers and sisters, all are graduate and 2 are postgraduate, and one is PhD and she is studying. She is a professor in government college. When I was joined in 1973 to 78, I passed my BA, and at that time this land was only garden was there, but now you can see that this is just like something together. This ground garden is there, everything is there, so many guys are there. Compared to my time, it is so development has been done here, and this college is free from pollution, free from strife, and free from politics. So I follow my college and I visit my college. So thank you.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ದಿವಸ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿಯರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಹಳ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಸಂಜೆ. ನಾನು ಈ 1979ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಕಾಂ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ 77, 78 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಧಾರಿಸಲು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಧರ್ಮದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕೆಲವು ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ, ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ, ಅತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬಳಸಲಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳುವ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಳೆಯೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯದಷ್ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
My dear friends, we were listening to specific suggestions. Another 4 madams have come. Before they want to speak, I thought we would explain to you the purpose of this particular interaction. Well, every institution has its own strengths, and historically this institution is going to complete 50 years, and it is a golden jubilee of the year, and everybody should be happy about it. And this is going to be a milestone, big milestone. Now they are in the 3rd cycle of accreditation. Well, whatever, that's a different story. But we would look up to you specific suggestions as to how the institution should look forward, what it should be doing to take the institution to a greater height. Well, many institutions are now trying to professionalize their curriculum and give complete career orientation, and they speak in terms of 100% placement, 80% placement and all that. But here this morning you were, not happy about the placement cells activities. About 27 students got placed during the last 5 years.
I studied science and got degree in the year 1995 from this college, and later on I did LLB and I am practicing now since last 18 years. The difference between the last teaching and this teaching, I can say that when we used to come to the college, we used to fear to the lecturers. The fear was not because they are lecturers. The fear was, it is a kind of an honor because they were well-read and eminent lecturers. infrastructure, but low educated or not having good lecturers. The problem is already has been narrated by my senior alumni. In Madhya Pradesh, even if a single lecturer is retired,
are put there. And we can't do much more than making a strong recommendation, we can't do much. So UGC also cannot do much. UGC is not standing in the way. Government has to take a decision to appoint, because almost all the colleges in Karnataka suffer this particular matter. So the government of Karnataka must wake up before things become much worse, because many good colleges are suffering for lack of qualified faculty, as we said. So you must all, you will have a public opinion, try to persuade the government. They will have 50% better education. Now, not even 1/4 of the faculty are regular faculty, and as we said, for low salary, low qualified, low quality faculty only will be available. And that will definitely bring down the quality of the teaching learning process. So this is a problem. We don't blame the management as well, because it's a government aided college. This is one of the very few colleges which have not gone in for commercialization, self-financing courses. All the courses available here are all aided courses. They want to run within the aided fee structure. That's a very good trend. Any other point which have not been mentioned, please do.
We prepare to face the competitive examinations boldly. In that way, we, the alumni of this college, they are in all different fields. They are eminent, and we are trying to invite all the different persons who are working in different fields to this institution once at least in a year, and we are going to inspire our students how to face these competitive examinations, how to face this life more.
We see a lot of enthusiasm among the old students of this college, but whether we are not sure whether association is there. Association is registered. Registered. Who are the office bearers? You are the chair. So what have we done of your activities for our consumption? Any specific activity or program you have mentioned? We will make a recommendation, and government, college will make a space provision for that. You as an alumni association can support partly by hiring faculty. You yourself can come and try to give lectures and so on, give training for the students. So that also will go along.
and we have cash prizes.
Okay, good. Yeah, we saw that. Every year annual prizes and all that. You are enjoying.
Typical question is, or suggestion is, that most of my friends have suggested that the permanent staff is not there. Even then, the college is running with a temporary arrangement. Okay, so
Just 1 minute. For your kind information, almost all programs, they are mostly at the top in the university level examinations. They are on the top, and university gold medals, many years they have won, and pass percentage exceed 90, 95%, even 100% in many years. That credit goes to the teachers for their commitment and working.
Sir, technically when we are going to PDT and visit to, because I am working in KU college, I know there are most of the area where we focus is regarding research. Okay, so my young people who are working here, they have done, most of them, they have done MSc or at the most MPhil. They are able to do PhD because things are quite different now. In UGC there is a provision, what I heard is that the temporary staff who are working here, if UGC provide MRP, that is the minor research project program,
because that will help to enhance their knowledge and support the institution. And at the same time, if they go further for additional work in the research area, they will get the PhD also. For this, the main thing is, what I want to suggest is, that you as a PhD member, either suggest to the UGC or make it as a mandatory rule for the government to put whatever the people are working in the college, they get benefited by UGC grant. So that is what. Yeah.
Wider research project grants are available to all teachers, provided they are working in an aided college with the 12 status. So, any teacher working here is eligible and they can apply for.
And good afternoon, all members of our meeting. Myself, Ravi Makrum, working as a lecturer in sociology, Government College, Kanpur. First of all, why I am there? Because of this institution. Because of this institution only I am working as a lecturer, because this institution has given the ability of for the teaching knowledge and for the here learning has given much knowledge what we can't see in the university. So every subject has different books, reference books in library. That's why because of I learned here, because of I selected in CET in the year 2009 and I am working as a lecturer in the college. This thing I want to tell you. And my suggestion, instead of using the suggestion, I would like to request to this institution, already sir told about this, please start some competitive examinations training centers here. It can help to get the jobs after the degree. If the institution is ready to open such a courses, we are ready to work as a faculty member here. Please start sir. Thank you.
Useful suggestions and we make use of it, and but we have some more area to be covered, and so thank you very much for making it, and many of you have come from long distances also. Madam has come from all the way from Bangalore, so wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್
and worked on this subject. I have scored 80% in mathematics.
So you are supporting.
I have produced athletes in university and state medal winners. Okay, sir. After completion year degree, then afterwards she got medal in international medal in Malaysia. Performance.
The playground as a whole is shared by all these institutions.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How
Yes.
much area is that playground?
Take down here 400 tracks are there. Totally we have a 400 track. We have conducted here Karnataka University Athletic Meet here. Ours is the biggest ground in Taluk.
When they put the playground as the area of the college,
Sir.
that includes this playground?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
What are the
Yes,
other
sir.
grounds you have?
We have what? Sir?
What are the other grounds?
Other grounds we have a football ground inside it. Or cricket, Coco side, volleyball 3 court sides. 3 court side. And recently under NGC we are constructing a basketball court and Commerce College tennis courts.
So,
And another one thing, sir. My coaching is like this. I always approach by coaching scientific based because on pulse rate condition I am giving load to a particular person. Pulse rate, sir, definitely. Because sports is 100% science. Whenever we are giving load to a particular boy, I will be in touch with the pulse rate so that the load should not be overloaded. So that he will be responding to the particular load. Definitely. That is the evaluation method for coaching in sports.
sports medicine is
We will invite them and train them.
how much the management support?
In all respects they are supporting me, but the only thing, I am the only physical director, so that work is more.
How many are there to assist you?
No sir, I am the only man. One gym trainer is there.
Not there? Not there?
No, one tune is there. Sir.
Not there.
No sir. This is a total of 155 meters. Inside football court is also there. That side Coco court is also there.
There is another area.
Another area, sir. That is the border, sir.
This is our
Border, sir. And that building is also our structure, CBSE school.
This is the oldest, the first institute of our center. This building, old building. The first one. Yes, yes, now it's this is common first.
Somebody was
10 minutes.
ಒಂದು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಪಟ್ನ.
Government audit, RJD.
Only sir, government no sir. Our
Private audit.
yes sir.
Government never, government auditor never comes.
Government also sir from
Government auditor.
ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Important file important file is all your institutions.
Recent fire service is there, sir. Sir, proper private, sir.
Latest one 8687 only. When was the last government? When? Which year?
2011, sir.
11.
Sir.
After that there is no.
After that is not, sir.
2011.
Sir, one. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ.
Some of the schools are very different.
Yes.